Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So probably going to be a bit of a waffly video this, but I thought I'd have a chat about Pikamoon. I haven't done a video on this for a while, and I thought I'd give it some time. So here's the graph on CoinMarketCap. Absolutely fucking terrible is the only way to describe it. That looks like a peak there when they probably stuck out a video or something to sort of say, "Hey guys, look at what we're doing here." And then it's been sort of downhill ever since. Okay, I just don't believe in this project, and I know I'm going to get a lot of grief in the comments, and frankly, I don't care. Um, I don't believe in this project for various reasons. Okay, so one of the main reasons is, firstly, I didn't do any videos on this for a while, and I was looking at other projects, and then what I noticed is that a lot of scam tubers were promoting this Pikamoon early on, like over a year ago. And the biggest culprit for me, or one of the biggest culprits, was this Jacob Berry. He just promotes every single scam coin under the sun to me. All these pre-sale videos that we've seen recently, he's been doing, but he promoted this like 10 months ago. Okay. So Jacob Cryptoberry. And if you look at how many videos he's done, if you type a search into his YouTube channel, he's done quite a lot of videos on it. All right. So it seems like the team behind Pikamoon has been sort of saying, "Go on, Jacob, keep doing more videos. You're doing well. Keep at it. All right." So if I was an investor in Pikamoon, one of the reasons why I wouldn't trust it is because this guy was promoting it. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, but there's lots of other YouTubers who are scam tubers who've been promoting it. Okay, if we have a look at the other thing, they're on a lot of news uh PR sites. Okay, like Coinpedia.org. Um, should I buy Pikamoon before the next crypto bull run? Okay, so obviously trying to get you into buying it, thinking it's going to go up because of the crypto bull run, that kind of thing. Now, if you have a look, top crypto experts rally behind Pikamoon, and you got like Jacob Berry. He's like the top crypto expert, okay, apparently. And this guy, Jake Gordon, don't know who he is, but look, the video's gone. All right. So I wonder, does that mean he's removed his video because he doesn't want to endorse it anymore? All right. And then you got Matthew Perry. Now, I've already called him a scam tuber. All right. He's got 210,000 subs, but he's happy to take the money to promote any old garbage. I wonder if any old garbage also includes Pikamoon. Okay. So those don't inspire me with confidence. Again, you got these PR websites, Analytics, Insight. Okay. Again, so this is a sort of typical kind of pre-sale that you'd get where they compare a coin to something more established. Obviously, when this was created, Pikamoon was nothing. Nobody knew anything about it, but people knew about the sandbox. Okay, sandbox was there. All right, so they obviously compared Pikamoon to the sandbox to get things going. All right, so there's that. This this other thing is really weird. All right, so this is the Pikamoon YouTube channel. This is the thing I really don't understand. So you've got this guy in the middle. He started from the scratch. Okay, he was the first one on it. I think he's called Nix, or that's his Pikamoon name, whatever. And you've got Conrad here on the left and Luke. Now these two guys are like the CEOs, and this guy here in the middle, he's just like, I don't know, a nothing, whatever. Sorry to call you that, but so if we have a look at the videos, if we go to click on this, what's going on? Right, so if I look at the videos, all right, we go back to the start. So when did the first video come out? So yeah, I did say this is going to be a bit of me waffling kind of thing. So you got over a year ago. So first of all, how to buy the coin, okay? And then you've got this Nix guy, is it? So he appears in it a year ago. And this is the only guy appear, and he's always in the forest. It's just so strange. It doesn't make any sense. All right, is he actually in the building here? Okay. So he just seems to be there. And when does this Conrad appear? Or they only sort of appear. Where is it now? Here? Yeah, here. So he's done all these videos on his own, and then suddenly this Conrad and Luke appear only 3 months ago. It's like things get suddenly gotten big and they suddenly show up. It's all a bit strange. It feels like this guy was sort of put in verse as like some sort of fall guy, and they could sort of go one way or the other. And because they felt the pre-sale went so well, they suddenly decided to show up. But if these are like the CEOs and stuff, why didn't they sort of appear earlier? Okay, why didn't they get behind the projects earlier? It just doesn't make any sense. And regarding the game, okay, so you've got a video which I think a lot of people can sort of create from AI a lot of the stuff. All right. And, you can get like Unity, okay? Unity, to create these games costs absolutely nothing. You can make these games from your back bedroom, basically. Look, free Unity, free. We know a lot of these games are created using Unity. So, they might not have spent a dime on the actual game creation. Okay. And they've gone to Pakistan, like one of the cheapest places, to just create the most cheapest kind of game they can do. That's how it appears anyway. And that's the vibe I'm getting. It's like, let's just throw the least amount of money at this thing and keep keep the keep the investors who don't know any better on side. All right, that's the vibe I'm getting. I remember watching a video with Alec Alec Becker, is it? The game guy who does games tokens and stuff. And he said he's created games, and he's not a programmer or anything like that. And he said he's managed to create little intros to games and stuff like that on his own. All right, just to sort of put in front of people and say, "Look at this, isn't it amazing?" Okay, and that's the vibe I'm getting with Pikamoon. All right, that is the vibe I'm getting, and I don't think this is going to go anywhere, Pikamoon. And I'm entitled to my opinion, and you guys in the comments are entitled to your opinion. Okay, but personally speaking, I don't think this is going anywhere. I just think I think it's a load of nonsense. But let's see if they prove me wrong. But it just looks like a load of rubbish to me. Okay, again, you look at Pikamoon 2023, right? So you look at the advertising that was going on. You get all of these sites, Outlook India, all of these PR sites, the same kind of stuff, okay, that was done for pre-sales, the recent pre-sales of Dogeverse and all of those kind of projects that are all, in my opinion, scams. All right. So I personally wouldn't trust Pikamoon. Um, but again, like I said, you can have your. What I'd say is, if you've got your money in this, have a good think about it. The things I've just said about the CEOs sort of coming on board late in the day. And does that make sense to you? So try to be neutral for a second, because people have got money in this, and it's hard to stay neutral. Obviously, when you got money in it, I'd say it's impossible. Okay, but sometimes you've got to sort of take a step back and say, what's going on with this project? Is it really what they're saying it is? All right, is it the real deal? Um, I know it's very difficult. You put your money in it and you think, oh, look at that. put my money in, and the price just keeps going down. All right. So anyway, that's my ramblings about Pikamoon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join my Discord, and we'll see you in the next one.